So nothing's working. The train station, they said they hope they can get it working soon, but they don't know how long it'll take. In the meantime, I guess I'm stuck here for like an hour and a half or so until the train works again. While I'm waiting, I might as well do a live stream for you guys. We're gonna first learn about 누구. 누구 just means who. 누구를, so we have the object marker. So after the object marker is going to be an action verb. Someone is doing something to this who. 좋아해요. 좋아하다 means to like. So you like something. What is it that you like? Well, you like who. So you like who? A question. 누구를 좋아해요? Who do you like? That's all there is to it. And the next word we need to learn is very different. But you need to know both of these. 누가. You can use 누구 with 누구를. If it's an object, you can say 누구에게, to a person, 한테, 누구랑. However, anytime you're using this 누구 with the subject marker, so 누구, it's a vowel, so 가, you do not ever say 누구가. This shortens. So anytime you have 누구 plus 가, it becomes 누가. Anytime who is doing something in your sentence, who did it, who ate it, who went, who likes Korea. So let me give you an example. So 누구를 만났어요? Who, object, so who is being met? Who did you meet? Who here is not doing anything. Who is not meeting someone. Who is being, something's happening to who. And that is meet. Like normally you would say 철수를 만났어요. I met 철수. So this is not a subject. It's not doing anything in the verb. If you were, however, to say 누가 만났어요? 누가 만났어요? Would not mean who did you meet. It could never mean that. Who is doing something. So what are they doing? Well, they are meeting. So who met someone? We don't know. The next word we have is how to say what. What is the official, standard, formal way to say what. But this is the way that you'll see, and this is the way you should use it. Just know that this also exists. It's the exact same meaning. If you want to use 뭐 with an object marker, you just say 뭐를. If you want to use it with the subject marker, you just say 뭐가. 누구 and 누가 was the only one that you have to do that with. 뭐 just means 뭐, what. I should point out though, anytime you're using 뭐 with 하다, for example, 뭐 하고 있어요? What are you doing? Literally, anytime you have 뭐 combined with 하다, there's no space. 뭐 하다, literally to do what. So we have 뭐 하고 있어요? What are you doing? And 뭐 좋아해요? What do you like? Well, I like BTS 좋아해요. Say 뭐 좋아해요? 파스타 좋아해요. Just like that. So let's move on to our next word. Where? 어디. So where do you want to go? 어디에 가고 싶어요? 어디 가고 싶어요? 어디 and 어디에 have the exact same meaning. It's just like saying, where do you want to go? 어디에. Where do you want to go? To. Most of the time, 어디 will be used by itself. 언제 means when. So when did you meet? When is the meeting? 언제 가요? When are you going? Or 갈까요? When should we go? Okay, next word. Why? Why? And that is 왜. 왜 안 갔어요? Why didn't you go? 왜 안 갔어요? Why did you not go? 왜 안 갔어요? Why can also mean one more thing. Can also mean what. As in English, the literal meaning of 왜 is 100% why. For example, if a Korean just says 왜, it can mean why, or it could mean what. I mean, 왜 봐요? Why are you looking? If someone's staring at us for a long time and you look over at them, you're like, what? In Korean, they directly say 왜? 왜요? Why are you looking at me? 저를 왜 봐요? So they will say 왜, they will not say 뭐. If you were to say 뭐, that's like, come on, dude, what's up? Dude, back off. So yeah, in Korean, you would say 왜, 왜요, if you want to ask someone why they're looking at you, which in English, we would just say what. The next one we're going to be learning about is 어떡해 means how. 어떡해 does not mean 어떡해. That is a different verb. Same pronunciation, 어떡해요, 어떡해, but it doesn't mean how. If a Korean's like in a drama and they're like, 아니 어떡해, they are saying this. This one just means what do we do? Or what do I do? What do you do? Oh no, there's a problem. Oh no, what do I do? 어떡해요, 어떡해. 한국어를 어떻게 배웠어요? Learn how Korean. 한국어를 어떻게 배웠어요? How did you learn Korean? 어떻게 always means how, literally. How can also mean what in some cases, although it literally always means how. It can mean what when you're talking about thinking. So instead of saying, what do you think? They say, how do you think? How do you think about something? Let me give you an example of that. This 에 대해 means about. And then 어떻게 생각하세요, or just 생각해요 if you're talking with your friends, 생각해. You could just say 어떻게 생각해요? 어떻게 생각하세요? What do you think? But if you want to say what do you think about, then you can add about something. So 빌리의 책, so Billy's book. 그 책에 대해, about that book, 어떻게 생각해요? What do you think about the book? Or 철수 씨, what do you think about? 철수 씨에 대해 어떻게 생각하세요? What do you think about 철수? Literally, how do you think about? One more usage of 어떻게 is with the verb 되다. It literally just means what is the makeup of something? What is the structural makeup of some noun? This is how you ask someone to tell you about something. As I said, it's like, what is the structural makeup of this noun? So you can say 가족, so family. 가족이 어떻게 되세요? What is the structural makeup of your family? To which they will reply, well, I have, older brother, older sister, younger brother, two parents, like that. You could ask, 취미, hobbies. 취미가 어떻게 돼요? 어떻게 되세요? What is the structural makeup of your hobbies? Hey, tell me about your hobbies. To which they will reply, well, I like, competitive knitting. 성함 is a polite word for 이름, for name. 성함이 어떻게 되세요? What is the structural makeup of your name? The polite way to ask someone's age is with 연세. So 연세 is just a polite version of 나이. 나이 means age. 연세가 어떻게 되세요? Tell me the structural makeup of your age. 연세. And then they would tell you, I'm 154. You're like, you are lying, you liar. So you can have a sentence where the question word comes directly before the verb, or the question word comes at the beginning of a sentence. So let me give you an example. So we've got option A and we've got option B over here. 왜 피자를 좋아해요? Why do you like pizza? Or 피자를 왜 좋아해요? Literally, they have the exact same meaning. Why pizza, you like it. Pizza, why do you like it? The only difference is the emphasis in the case of B. It adds emphasis to the word. Why versus why. Why do you like pizza? Here, why, or directly before the verb, like an adverb. Both are perfectly acceptable. Let's do another sentence. So, 누가 제 케이크를 먹었어요? Versus 제 케이크를 누가 먹었어요? Who ate my cake? Who ate my cake? So the next thing we're going to be learning about is how to say someone, something, somewhere, or someday. 누군가 now is a noun that can be used any way you want. It can be used as an object of a verb, like some verb is doing something to it. It can be the one doing the verb. Like I said, it's 뭔가, which is more common. Or you might also see 무엇인가, 어딘가, somewhere. And 언젠가, you might say someday, someday, sometime, like that. 누군가를 만날 거야? Will you meet someone? 누구를 만날 거야 would be who are you meeting? We have 누군가를 만날 거야. Will you meet someone? Or 누군가 could be doing something. So 누군가가, you can add 가 onto 누군가 if you want. 누군가가. Or just say 누군가. 누군가가 누군가 만들었어요. Someone made it. 거기서 뭔가를 사고 싶어요. I want to buy 뭔가, something there. So I want to buy something there. I think I saw it somewhere. 어딘가에서 본 것 같은데? 어딘가에서 본 것 같아요. 어딘가에서 봤어요. I saw it somewhere. 언젠가 또 만나요. Meet you again someday. Someday. 언젠가 또 만나요. Let's meet again someday. So using the words that we already did. 뭐, 누구, 어디. What, who, where. These words also can mean 뭐 by itself can also mean the same thing as 뭔가. 누구 can also mean 누군가. 어디 can also mean 어딘가. And 언제 can also mean 언젠가. Instead of using 뭔가, you can just use 뭐. Instead of using 누군가, 어딘가, or 언젠가, you can just replace those in the sentence with 누구, 어디, 언제. So those words I just taught you, 뭔가, 누군가, 어딘가, 언젠가, are still used if it could be vague otherwise. 뭐 만들었어요? So if you saw this sentence written on the board, what would you think it meant? 뭐 만들었어요? Like, what did you make? 뭐 만들었어요? Or would you think it means something? Like, did you make something? 뭐 만들었어요? Well, if you want it to be really clear, you don't want anyone ever to confuse what you wrote, then just use 뭔가 if you want it to be something and use what as 뭐. So when would this sentence mean what did you make? And when would this sentence mean did you make something? It all has to do with the emphasis that you give to the words in the sentence. If you want this word to mean what. You have to emphasize whenever you use a question word. So if you wanted to say, what did you eat? You want to say, 뭐 먹었어요? If you want to say, who did you meet? 누구를 만났어요? Notice how I'm emphasizing, 누구를 만났어요? Where did you go? 어디 갔어요? When did you go? 언제 갔어요? If you do not emphasize the word, but instead emphasize the verb, then it becomes the something meaning. It means something, someone, somewhere, someday. So if you were to say, 뭐 먹었어요? What did you eat? 뭐 먹었어요? Did you eat something? 뭐 만들었어요? Did you make something? 뭐 만들었어요? What did you make? 누구 만났어요? Who did you meet? 누구 만났어요? You can also use this in a statement. A statement is anything that ends in a period or exclamation mark, not a question. 뭐 만들었어? If you say this as a statement, it could never mean what, because what is a question? 뭐 만들었어요? If it's not a question, it has to mean something. You made something. 어디 갔어요? Where did you go? 어디 갔어요? Did you go somewhere? Using 언제 instead of 언젠가 is much less common because 언제 by itself can sound vague. You might see people use 언제 또 갈 거예요. I will go again someday. More often you'll see 언젠가. 무슨. This is an adjective that means what. It comes before a noun. So what color, what food, what person, what drama, what country. What as in, you're choosing something. 무슨 음식을 좋아해요? So what food do you like? One more word for what. 어떤. This is an adjective. It has to come before a noun. You can never end a sentence with a conjugated adjective. And it means what kind of. You can say 무슨 음악을 좋아해요? Like what specifically, what music do you like? More naturally, more common, you'd want to ask what kind of music do you like? 어떤 사람? What kind of person? 어떤 사람이에요? 어떤 사람이에요? What kind of person is he? What's that? The train is going to leave soon? That's great. Perfect timing. All right.